Hello everyone, welcome to English with Suma. In today's video, we're going to learn about adjectives. We'll understand what adjectives are, why we use them, the different types of adjectives, and lots of easy examples. So, let's begin. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. It tells us more about a person, place, animal, or thing. An adjective can describe color, size, shape, age, number, or quality. For example, beautiful girl, tall boy, red apple, happy child. The words beautiful, tall, red, and happy are adjectives because they describe the nouns. We use adjectives to make our sentences more clear and interesting. For example, I have a car. This sentence is correct, but we don't know anything about the car. Now look at this. I have a new car. The word new gives us more information. That's why adjectives are important. There are 7 common types of adjectives. Let's learn each one with its definition and examples. A descriptive adjective tells us about the quality or characteristic of a noun. Examples: beautiful flower, tall building, clever student, old house. The words beautiful, tall, clever, and old describe the nouns. A quantitative adjective tells us how much of something there is. It shows quantity but not the exact number. Examples: some milk, little water, enough food, much sugar. A numeral adjective tells us the exact number or position of a noun. Examples: 1 book, 5 students, first prize, second chapter. A demonstrative adjective points to a specific noun. The words this, that, these, and those are demonstrative adjectives. Examples: this pen, that car, these books, those birds. A possessive adjective shows ownership. It tells us who owns something. Examples: my bag, your phone, his bike, their house. An interrogative adjective is used to ask questions and comes before a noun. Examples: which book is yours? What subject do you like? Whose bag is this? A distributive adjective refers to each person or thing separately within a group. Examples: each student received a prize. Every child smiled. Either answer is correct. Neither team won. Now it's quiz time. Can you find the adjectives? Pause the video and try to answer. The correct answers are blue, my and kind, those. How many did you get right? Let's quickly recap today's lesson. We learned what an adjective is, why we use it, the 7 common types of adjectives, examples for each type, and a quick quiz. Practice using adjectives every day to improve your English. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to English with Suma. In the next lesson, we'll learn about adverbs, another important part of speech.